Dear Renan, why would a student want to pay for tutoring just to get a higher SAT score when they could just study on their own? All right, so this is really two different questions, right? One, why do students want a higher SAT score to begin with? And then two, why do they need to pay for outside help? So first, let's talk about why students want a higher SAT score, because there can actually be a lot of different reasons. In another video, I'll explain why they struggle and need the extra help. So some of the most obvious reasons are college choice and scholarships. Some of our students have a very specific dream school they want to get into, which may be a top tier public university like UCLA or University of Florida, an Ivy League like Harvard or Cornell, or even a very specific private liberal arts college like Wellesley. All of these schools are going to have pretty high SAT score requirements, and because the application process is competitive, the average score for admissions is going to be even higher. But maybe they're not trying to get into a specific school. They may just want to have options, and they know that the better their score, the more options they're going to have. But even if they have what they need for the application to get into the schools they want, they may not have the money. And that's where scholarships come in. The higher your SAT score, the better your chances of securing scholarships, given that the grades and the rest of your application is on point. And some scholarships, like Florida Bright Futures, which could potentially pay for 100% of tuition, have very specific SAT score requirements. But here's something not everyone really talks about. One of the reasons students strive to get the best score they can is really just to feel better about their score and where they rank compared to their peers. No one likes to feel like a dummy or that they're bad at math. And we've had dozens of students come through our program that wanted to go to college but believed they were bad at math. Turns out they were actually pretty good at math. They just needed the right program to bring it out of them. For all the criticism that the SAT gets, one thing it does do is make you think and really be able to apply a variety of math skills to different situations. And by going through our program where they get a ton of one-on-one attention with their peers, they inevitably end up getting better with math everywhere else, including their normal math classes. So if you've ever wondered what the big deal is about the SAT tutoring, that's it. A small investment today could be huge opportunities in the future, the money to pay for those opportunities, and the confidence to make the most of them. I'm Renan, founder of Piece of Pie Learning, and if you have questions about SAT tutoring, just drop them in the comments. Peace.